guys what's going on. Since we have all this disassembled, what we want to do is go ahead and take our screw and feed it through the hole and through the spacer. Next thing we want to do is we want to line up this corner just at the edge here, and you want to also take notice of the gap here that you got going. So we can rotate this how we want it. So we want to push down on here, line up that corner while doing our best to make that gap meet that arch. So what we have here is I'm just taking notice of that arch and the gap back here. I want to get really close to this corner. I've already predetermined a hole right there that I want to drill. So I'm going to go ahead, I marked it already. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to get my 3/16 drill bit and slowly drill. And I'm going to mount this back up here, just like that. Put this through that spacer again. Then I'm just going to insert this bolt so it doesn't move. I'm just going to insert that bolt so this dash plate doesn't move. Then I'm going to go and do a similar thing on the other side. Okay. So on this side, you don't want this digging into the dash here, and we have it. You want to push down on that spacer because it's going to sit flat, and then just pull it forward to back to where you want it. Mark your hole there. There's not much room to drill, so we're going to make a mark here, and just you can Sharpie it or whatever. Then where this is going to go, you're going to take this bolt out. You can either mark it in there and drill it after. I'm just going to go ahead and just drill it now. It's easier. Everything's perfect. I'm going to get my bolt. Insert it where I want it to be. Holes drilled. That's gonna, once you drill that hole, everything's gonna be perfect when you bolt together. I'm gonna go and proceed to do it to the other side here also. There we are. So now all we have to do is pull the screws out, drill this hole, pop this off, and then reinstall everything.